Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup and as you can see we've got this section with the Google One option, so let's tap on add account. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, here we've got the section where you can learn about the Google One, so the backup. You're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can of course tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever you will be connected to the Wi-Fi, will store it securely of course, and you can manage it whenever you want. So just tap on turn on. And again, we've got the backup section. You can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. Here you've got the backup details, so what has been already backed up. And here you've got also the option, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, because the charges may apply whenever you will back up the data using, for example, that was a misclick. For example, the mobile data. Alright, so to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.